Hey folks, I just walked out on my front porch and I found something kind of cool. It's not addressed to me, so it is addressed to other members of this kingdom. So I thought I would share it with everybody. So the only thing I've done so far is knock out addresses, but as you will see, we have something addressed to the University of Artemisia, care of Praxiltarana, from Watkya of Kent in Williamsburg, Virginia. I have absolutely no idea what this is. So let's see what we got, huh? Let's see here. Alrighty. And we're playing and we're playing and aha, this is looking cool, guys. Looking to, oh my goodness. Folks, we have an absolutely beautiful chip carved University of Artemisia sign. How exciting is that? I'm I kind of thrilled by that. Thank you so much. That is crazy cool of you, Watkya of Kent in Virginia. We now have an absolutely gorgeous sign. And for those of you that are interested in wearing it, University of Artemisia is anybody who participates in that, which means if you take a single class, any class, doesn't even have to be a University of Artemisia class, can be a class from another kingdom's YouTube channel, does not matter. You can then enter it into the University of Artemisia database and you can start to get credit for it. As soon as you have taken a class, you can wear our badge, which is pretty fantastic. This is registered with the College of Heralds. It is a lantern on Artemisia's pile. Pretty awesome. And then we also have our fabulous logo that was done for us by Ramon de Javier. And that is available on a variety of merchandise if you're interested in purchasing those. They're on Redbubble. I can link you to those. We're not making any money on that. Just want to make them available to everybody. And if you like to, you can paint, you can carve, you can do whatever you want to. Put this on any sort of badge you like, wear it. It's your right to wear it because you're part of our university. So thank you again. I'm pretty thrilled to see that we're out there and we're part of the bigger community. So I've got something else pretty fun to open and unbox on Tuesday. If you want to turn back in for that. I miss you guys so much. I so want to be hanging out with my friends, but I'm super excited by all the amazing arts and sciences things online. Please, please, please connect with your friends. Take classes, teach classes, please teach classes. Check in with our largesse August. Make some fun stuff to give away or keep, just so that you know that your friends are thinking of you. Look forward to talking to you guys again. Thanks.